If you want to remove a payment method from your Disney Plus account, follow these simple steps to ensure your billing information is updated. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Disney Plus website or open the Disney Plus app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Payment Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Payment Information or Billing. Click on this option to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Remove Payment Method. Find the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option to delete or remove it. Click on this option and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Verify changes. After removing the payment method, double-check to ensure it no longer appears in your payment information. You may also want to check for any confirmation emails regarding the change. By following these steps, you can successfully remove a payment method from your Disney Plus account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Disney Plus customer support for assistance.